Hello and welcome. Today we are going to do MCQs on current affairs of India. I request you to please subscribe the channel and like the video. Question first is, who was sworn in as the Prime Minister of Bangladesh in February 2026? A. Sheikh Hasina. B. Tariq Rahman. C. Mohammad Yunus. D. Khalida Zia. Correct answer is option B. Question number second. Which Indian city was selected in February 2026 to host the prestigious Earthshot Prize in November? A. New Delhi. B. Bengaluru. C. Mumbai. D. Hyderabad. Correct answer is option C. Question third. What is the projected fiscal deficit for the financial year 2026-2027 as per the Union budget? A. 4.1%. B. 4.4%. C. 4.8%. D. 5.1%. Correct answer is option B. Question 4. In February 2026, India joined which US-led initiative aimed at securing key technologies and supply chains? A. Artemis Accords. B. Pax Silica. C. Chip for Alliance. D. Billy Dot Network. Correct answer is option B. Question 5. Which Indian athlete was conferred with the Padma Bhushan in the 2026 Padma Awards? A. Rohit Sharma. B. Harmanpreet Kaur. C. Vijay Amritraj. D. Savita Punya. Correct answer is option C. Question 6. The Udan Yatri Cafe, providing affordable dining meals between 10 to 20, was inaugurated at which airport? A. IGI Airport, Delhi. B. CSMIA, Mumbai. C. Kempe Goda, Bengaluru. D. Chennai International. Correct answer is option B. Question 7. Where was the Indo-French Centre for AI in Health inaugurated in February 2026? A. IIT Bombay. B. AIMS New Delhi. C. IISc Bangalore. D. JIP Puducherry. Correct answer is option B. Question 8. Which state assembly passed an amendment bill in February 2026 to extend working hours and permit night shifts for women? A. Maharashtra. B. Karnataka. C. Gujarat. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option C. Question number 9. The 6th National Rafting Championship was launched in February 2026 at which location? A. Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. B. Shivnot, Jammu and Kashmir. C. Manali, Himachal Pradesh. D. Tista, Sikkim. Correct answer is option B. Question 10. What is the new income tax exemption limit under the new tax regime as per the 2026-2027 budget? A. 7 lakh. B. 10 lakh. C. 12 lakh. D. 15 lakh. Correct answer is option C. Question 11. Who was elected as the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party in January 2026? A. J.P. Nadda. B. Nitin Nabin. C. Amit Shah. D. Rajnath Singh. Correct answer is option B. Question 12. Which theme was chosen for the MILAN 2026 naval exercise conducted in February? A. Connectivity and cooperation. B. Camaraderie, cooperation and collaboration. C. Oceans for peace. D. Blue economy frontiers. Correct answer is option B. Question 13. In February 2026, which country reached a significant free trade agreement with India? A. United Kingdom. B. European Union. C. United States. D. Oman. Correct answer is option B. Question 14. Which Indian state launched the Vibrant Villages program in February 2026? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Ladakh, C. Assam, D. Sikkim. Correct answer is option C. Question 15. Veteran actress Pravina Deshpande, who passed away in February 2026, was primarily associated with which cinema? A. Bengali, B. Marathi, C. Hindi, D. Telugu. Correct answer is option B. Question 16. Which Indian cricket captain received the Padma Shri in 2026 for leading India to the World Cup title? A. Virat Kohli, B. Harmanpreet Kaur, C. Hardik Pandya, D. Smriti Mandhana. Correct answer is option B. Question 17. The golden rule of finance mentioned in the 2026 budget refers to A. Limiting inflation to 4%, B. Borrowing only for capital expenditure, C. Zero revenue deficit, D. 100% FDI in retail. Correct answer is option B. Question 18. Which city hosted the India AI Impact Summit 2026 where the AI Met white paper was launched? A. Hyderabad, B. New Delhi, C. Pune, D. Gandhinagar. Correct answer is option B. Question 19. Which state government cleared solar powered micro irrigation projects worth 402 crore in February 2026? A. Rajasthan, B. Punjab, C. Haryana, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is option C. Question 20. Which date is observed as World Day of Social Justice, coinciding with state foundation dates in India? A. February 15, B. February 18, C. February 20, D. February 22. Correct answer is option C.